90% of those channels have less than 1,000 subscribers. The kicker, only 0.1% make a full-time income, which is seen as $2,000 per month or more. As you can see, that is evidence that a failure rate is extremely high. If you have a look at that kind of failure rate, it is 99.9% of a failure rate. I'll tell you what I think why that failure rate is so high. However, I would appreciate your help. If you can please leave a comment and tell me, why do you believe that a failure rate is so high? If your comment is based on psychology, that like self-doubt, procrastination, lack of self-confidence, then I can hone in on those specific comments and make specific videos to address those specific areas.